Good morning, Patricia. Courtney Richardson here, Tamron Honda, Hoover, just reaching out to you on behalf of the Sam's Club Auto Buying Program to thank you for your inquiry on one of those beautiful 2019 Honda CR-Vs. Loaded with features, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth capability, hands-free access, just leader in his class, one of the best mid-size SUVs in the market. Tons of features, colors, styles, and I'd love to invite you in for some of those end of the month savings. So if you don't mind, ma'am, just give me a call, 205-261-8732, and see if we can set up some time for you to come by and experience one of these vehicles for yourself. Again, Miss Patricia, I'm Courtney Richardson here at the Tamron Honda in Hoover, and I will guarantee you one thing: when you do make it here to Tamron Honda, you are going to love the way you're treated.